best thing that we could have happen right now is a hurricane, because instantly what would happen is there would be a flood of sellers. They got the insurance money, they don't want to deal with fixing up the house. Now you've got an opportunity to step in there and buy that house. Take over the mortgage and let them keep the insurance money, or you can just buy the house outright for cash. That would be an opportunity that I would hope that would happen. We haven't had one in quite some years, but that was what put me in business in 2003, 2004, 2005. And that would be great if it happened into a market that suddenly you had a ton of sellers, then that would push prices down. There'd be a lot of people in foreclosure. And now you'd have an opportunity to buy that $300,000 house for 180 grand. And now your numbers are going to make sense.